Okay, so I went to Tropical Smoothie Cafe for the first time today, and I got a mango berry Cosmo smoothie, a grilled chicken pesto, um, flatbread thing, and then this was supposed to be the chia seed banana bowl. There's no bananas. I think they gave me mango or something instead of banana. But hopefully the rest of it is still the banana pudding because that's what I really wanted. So let's go ahead and try this one first. I'm actually kind of nervous. And I can tell you that this better be really good because these three things all together was $25. And it's not a lot of food. So hopefully it at least tastes good. I'll make sure I get a bite with like everything in it. Looks like it has blueberries, coconut. That looks like coconut. I don't know. Blueberries, coconut, mango, and granola. It's actually really good. The granola is really good. I'm really sad that I didn't get the banana, but I like mango too. So I know they messed up, obviously, because I ordered banana and there's no bananas. But the only one that has the blueberries and mango on it is green. And this obviously isn't green, so they just made a mistake. Which, like I said, kind of sucks, but whatever. Who's stringy? Is that the coconut? I don't know. I'm the kind of person that also pulls the strings off the bananas when I eat them. Does anybody else do that? What do y'all think about the Brooke Schofield drama? Um, Obviously the things that she said were really bad. They were terrible. She has since um put out an apology video, two of them actually, from what I've seen. One of them, she said that a lot of people that were saying that they accept the apology was all white people. So she said, therefore, she knew she didn't address it correctly. And then she issued another one. And then in the comments were black people um, saying they accept it. So what do you guys think of that? I do. It was a long time ago. I personally think that people can learn and change from past mistakes. So I'm going to choose to forgive her. Obviously, she's still going to be canceled for it for a while because people have the right to be hurt by what she said. But she's addressed it fairly quickly, actually. But one thing I want to know, she knew they were there though because she's addressed it before on Reddit as like it wasn't under her actual name. Um, why didn't she just delete them? That's what I don't understand. Okay, this is grilled chicken pesto. Hopefully, this is good. That is pretty good. Hmm. There's some kind of green oil leaking from it. Hmm. Okay, now let's try this. Like I said, it's mango berry Cosmo. This is okay. I don't know if any of you have ever been to a Smoothie King. No, they're expensive, but they have like the really big cups, like Zaxby size cups, like large cups. Um, and they're really good. This is like I could make this at home. I can make the way this tastes at home. Smoothie King though had I don't know what they did, but their smoothies are so good. If there's one near you, at least try them. It's like $8 for it, but this was $8, and those cups are way bigger. So, um, yeah, I don't know. This is okay in my opinion. Maybe I'll go back and try like a different one. The Bahama Mama sounded good. Whatever. I want this to be like an actual mukbang where I talk to you guys because I like sitting here and talking. I don't. This sounds sad, but I don't really have friends, so I like talking to the camera. And if anybody enjoys watching, I like that. It makes me happy. So, but let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Brooke Schofield drama. I guess I've not watched the latest episode of Canceled. I think there's one. I think Tana defended Brooke. I don't know what she says. I'll have to check that out. But as far as seeing her apologies on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, I personally am going to choose to forgive her. I think people can change and learn from their mistakes. And it's not like it's not repeated behavior. Like since then, she hasn't said anything like that. So other than that, I'm in Virginia. It's very rainy. It's been miserable outside the last couple of days. I think we're under flood warning, but whatever. It's just miserable weather. Um, what's the weather like where you guys live? I know there's a hurricane coming from Florida up in South Carolina. It's supposed to come hit us someday. I don't know. Might miss us. We'll get the wind and rain from it, but I don't know. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Best wishes to everybody that does get hit by it. That's not fun. The last hurricane that I experienced was Hurricane Isabel when I was 8. I think it was the same year that my mom died, 2004, and she passed March 1st. So it had to be early 2004. Um, apparently that's one of the worst hurricanes that's ever hit Virginia. So, um, I guess we'll see what happens. But anyways, I guess that's gonna be all for this video. Um, hopefully everybody watches till the end. I don't even know. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the chef Nick drinks from Dunkin' Donuts if mine has them. So stay tuned and until next time.